Hello, let me just do a quick intro before the actual video starts. So hello, I am Eliza and you're watching my channel. Huh? Tama ba? Hey, what's up? It's Eliza and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see from the title, this is going to be my high school graduation vlog. So, my graduation actually happened on May 16th, 2024. And so all these clips were filmed at Bayleaf, Cavite because that's where it happened. And then yeah, basically this graduation, oh my god, wait. So obviously this vlog has some clips, very emotional clips, and I didn't get to vlog as much. I didn't get to talk to the camera as much, but this is still a core memory and I want to share it with you guys because it's a very special event for me and as well as for my parents and for my families. So yeah, I'm just gonna stop babbling now and let y'all enjoy the video. And so yeah, I hope you enjoy.
Yun na lang. Ayun.
Okay na yan, dalawang hash brown.
Ayan yung drinks. Coffee na talaga yung drinks doon. Pwede ba? Ayan yung anong drinks nyo? Isang Coke.
Dalawang Coke, isang milk.
Dalawang Coke, isang orange.
Gano?
Wala silang McFlurry.
Tama niya po ba yun? Kamila na. Ay, ano ba yan?
Ba yan?
Dumi!
Sorry.
Daddy, pero dulo na tayo, Daddy.
Wala kayo ah. Para may gawin naman kayo. Ano yun naman tayo ulit?
Soju.
Soju tayo. Tama. Soju. Soju.
Pwede.
Go, guys.
Silog ng mukha ko.
Tama. Patabang mo lang.
Sino ka?
Bago ang bigat sa ulo par.
Hello.
Kaya paayos ka lang ko.
Wala pang start, may medal. Bragi, sulit sa inyo. Akala siguro na laki ng ulo ko. Andito yung strap sa akin hanggang dulo. Shit, ayun o. Ayun o. Dulo na yun ng velcro. Pak, maluwag pa sa akin.
Behemoth human daw.
Grabe. Laki naman ng... Ang dami mo namang fans.
Iconic.
Ito. Gusto naman sa video to, te. Wala pa! Wala pa!
Tapos na ako mag-MC. Tapos na.
Miss, may mga susunod na... Alan eh! Nakakontak ako!
Okay, iyak.
Matatanggal ko.
Walang iiyak.
Dadalawin niyo ako. Opo. Wala na sisigaw. Miss Daisy! May pagkain! Nakakontak na ako. Pare ba siya nakapigilad?
Pare, ako na lang.
Andun, miss. Di ko alam, naghahanap ng aircon yun eh.
Nasa loob.
Hindi siya sanay sa weather. Miss Mamaya. Nakita ko na kasi. Congratulations. Assalamualaikum. Miss kita. Opo. Miss na.
Si Linkin.
Miss na sa dulo kasi magaling siya. Eh, ito si Miss Linkin. Umiiyak na siya.
Kaya nga miss may tinga pa eh.
Graduating na. Totoo ba to? Di ba Kimi lang?
head off the corruption, the staleness, the mediocrity around us in moments of trials. Be our leaven, O Lord, so that not
to our distinguished guests, school administrators, our beloved principal,
Antonio R. Morabe III. Is also a recipient of Best in Capstone Project and Research Presentation Certificate. Lay Cassandra F. Espiritu. Johaina M. Hajinur. Trish Shana B. Tampe, also a recipient of Culture, Arts and Sports Award and Poveda Knights Award. Now, to receive an Achievers Award for school year 2023-2024, may I call on Vince Oleg A. Formentera from the ABM class. Elena T. Taal. Kyla Grace L. Tinaza. From the youth class, Kyle Gabriel Q. De La Cruz, also a recipient of Culture, Arts and Sports Award and Poveda Knights Award. Justin C. Santiago. Gail Margaret D. Alina. And Aliyah Shan R. Gabriel.
Nangalay nga ako.
Mika D. Antonio. Lorraine D. Argel, also a recipient of a certificate in Capstone Project and Research Paper. Eliza Cristel B. Lenz, also a recipient of Culture, Arts and Sports Award, Poveda Knights Award, and Best in Capstone Project and Research Paper Certificate.
Anak niya, te.
Berlin A. Lim, also a recipient of Best in Capstone Project and Research Paper Certificate. Micaela F. Loredo, a recipient of Best in Capstone Project and Research Paper Certificate as well. And Iseljean F. Pama. Academic 2024, may call on Trisha Jeka A. Perturbos from the STEM class. And Micaela O. Filipino. To receive a St. Pedro Poveda Award, an award of excellence for having shown excellence in both academic and non-academic areas of learning, may I call on Roslyn Faith R. Manaldi, Bronze Medal. She's also a recipient of Culture, Arts, and Sports Award. Arian Q. Felizarta, Bronze Medal, also a recipient of Poveda Knights Award. Lee Angela B. Lagarde, Bronze Medal.
Ubos na ba? Wag na, okay na to.
Denise P. M. Becerra, Bronze Medal. Saibel May T. Sarisola, Bronze Medal. She's also a recipient of Leadership Award Certificate and Best in Capstone Project and Research Paper Certificate. She's also, again, a recipient of Best in Visibility Study Presentation. Linkin Park R. Ramoneta, Bronze Medal. He's also a recipient of Deportment Award and Best in Visibility Study Presentation Certificate. Ashley E. Olivia, Silver Medal, also a recipient of Poveda Knights Award. And Carl E. Matila, Gold Medal. He's also a recipient of Best in Capstone Project and Research Paper Certificate and Best in Visibility Study Presentation Certificate. Congratulations, Grade 12 awardees.
Mercado, Zian Nino Corpus. Morabe, Antonio III Prado. Moving on to the female from the STEM strand, let's have Argel Lorraine de la Cruz. Almazan, Andrea Ann Estanislao. Antonio, Mika Janela. Joy Catalon. Espiritu, Lay Cassandra Faustino. Hajinor Johaina Makabua. Lagarde, Lee and Angela Bailen. Lelis, Aliza Cristel Tangalan. Lim Berlin Avila. Loreno Micaela Faustino. Managi Roslyn Faith Raimundo. Olea Ashley Etis. Pama Isel Jean Fernandez. Pertubos Trisha Jeka Asban. Filipino Micaela Oraa. Sarisola Saibel May T. Last but not the least, Pampe Trisha Shana Banyas. Thank you, Ms. Eden and Sir S. Thank you, graduates, and
Congratulations, people Vedans. You made it. Graduation is more than just another level unlocked. GGWP. Good game. Well played, Poedans. Be assured that MTS, together with your beloved parents, will always be proud of what you have achieved. Congratulations. And
Nakakaiyak.
Miss ko kayo. 2 years ko kayo nakasama.
Kaya nga. Tapos yung periods niya, 4 na oras.
Ano?
Kaya miss pinakamatagal. Ay, 8 ba?
8 hours.
Bye-bye, miss.
Grade 11 kayo. Simula pa yun.
DRR.
To welcome everyone in today's graduation ceremony, school year 2023.
With power by the Secretary of Education through the Regional Director of Region 4A, and therefore are entitled to a graduation certificate and all privileges pertaining hereto. Congratulations.
Us in giving out the certificates.
Been equipped with more than just facts and figures. We've learned how to think critically, solve problems, and adapt to ever-changing circumstances. Our hard-earned knowledge will serve as the guiding us through the realities of the society. Second, it's the resilience we've developed. Our journey has not been easy. We've faced setbacks and
and I will always be a proud Provencer. With deepest sincerity,
Ano na guys?
thank you, dear teachers, for not only teaching us what only, you taught us lifelong learning skills that will help us prepare and face the outside.
The Povedan ideals and education for which our schools be.
Christian responsibility,
And academic.
proud of our educational foundation.
We further pledge
To our student, Villanueva Mariel. Apologize for the confusion, the oversight.
We are free in infinity. And this is when the moments turn to. And this is when the moments turn to memories. This is when the future gets so clear to see. This is moving faster than ever. So clear to see.
Parang may pangalan. Dear parents, this is for you. Then, kiss them and then tell them that you love them and thank them for all the support that they've given you. This is the only opportunity that you can do that.
Walang pera yan ah. Walang pera yan.
Thank them. Parents, offer them the flowers that you have spent for, hug them, kiss them, and then tell them that you love them and thank them for all the support that they have given you. This is the only opportunity that
Kakakulitan mo yan.
Yeah, go back to your seat.
Ganyan, nilagyan bilang-bilang. One.
Lashes, please return to your seat. Please return to your seat to have a photo taken later. Kindly return to your seat. Dear lashes, please return to your seat. Thank you. Vedans, for the last time, sing the MDS hymn with fervor. You're gonna miss it definitely. Please stand and sing Mighty Proud in the alma mater. Want to hear you sing loud
Nireklamo ko
and
na
proud.
napapayak ako. Ayan na, saan na yun? Ito na. We shall always.
May I request may I request the students to please come up here on stage. Let's squeeze in for your batch photo. Hurry, hurry, quick, quick.
Asan na sila? Uy! Ano? Ang ganda ng makeup ko. Ngayon lang umayon sa akin yung makeup ko.
Hindi kasi ano, sa mahal ba naman ang binigay ng mga makeup si Linte?
Kaya lang, nahiya tuloy ako. Akin na sa kanila Shopee. Sa'yo nakita ko kanina pinagtitignan ko. Eh, si Pepe pala. Ay, teka ka. Gusto ko yung pagkuha ko si
Oy, nakay tayo ng mabilisan ha. Kasi si Sean susunduin natin ng alas 3.
Okay lang yun, oras ako. Late na yun. Kasi may reading assessment ko. Makalit na. Sirado nga yung may curtain nga yung...
Grabe, oh. Grabe, guys.
Sirado yung store ko kasi
Ang dami! Ang dami! Eto, di na nga inayos ni Daddy kanina paglagay niya. Sabi niya, isahan na lang.
Oo. Sabi niya, narinig mo?
Oo.
May picture si ate dito. Napapakita ko sa'yo. Nung kinuha ko yun.
Scan mo siya pag share your...
Ay! Ba! Natagpuan po dito sa Pure Gold General Trias. May 5 soju na iinumin niya mamayang gabi. Kakatapos lang ng graduation. Nagtitempla.
Sino yan?
Walang flashlight!
Yung si daddy mo, flashlight mo ng ano niya, ng cellphone niya.
And for the last time, I don't think there ever be a last time of me thanking that school and the people in it. But I want to thank everyone who has been with me with the 2 years of my senior high school in MTS. For Miss Daisy, especially to her, because without her, I think I wouldn't want to go to school wholeheartedly, because there were times where I didn't really feel like going there, but there were people who were pushing me and cheering me up every time that I have a problem with someone or with something. And Miss Daisy was one of them, was one of the most essential tools for me to be able to be where I'm at today. Because at this moment, at this time of my life, I already started college, and I really can say that I'm genuinely happy. And I wouldn't be able to say that right now to you if it weren't for Miss Daisy and for my friends. I genuinely want to thank all of you because you all have helped me heal. You all helped me take care of myself, and yeah, no words can explain how thankful I am for that school. Even though there were a lot of times where I didn't agree with the school rules or with the management and stuff, I am proud to be or to have been a Povedan. And I think I will always be a Povedan by heart. I know that good things will come, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for me. But then again, I won't ever forget the people that helped me go through it, had helped me see my full potential, and had helped me release all my talents. I'm really grateful for all of you. Thank you so much.